Welcome friends again. Today I have come with a writing skill, a very common writing skill. How to write an application for a leave from the headmaster, principal, headmistress, even a librarian to get some books from the library. So I will learn you some procedure, some tips how to write this kind of applications. So I will memorize you only one applications and it will certainly help you to write with any kind of subject matter. So it's going to be a very exciting video. So come to my laptop screen to learn it carefully.
So let's start. Application to the headmaster, headmistress, principal and librarian. At first, addressing with to the headmaster or headmistress, or if you write the principal you may go through that, then you may write librarian, then ABC High School. What is ABC High School? The name of your school, name of your college. Then the address. Here I have written Ramkrishna Road. The color has been changed. Mark it. The color has been changed. রংটা চেঞ্জ করা হয়েছে। Why? কেন? না, হেডমাস্টার, হেডমিস্ট্রেস, প্রিন্সিপাল, লাইব্রেরিয়ান এগুলো তো লেখা হতেই পারে, but the ABC High School, Ramkrishna Road will be changed according to your own school name, one who are writing this application. Then here Midnapur 721101. Now the subject, prayer for leave of absence. We are writing for a leave, to get leave from headmaster or headmistress of your school. So we can write the subject here, prayer for leave of absence, ছুটির জন্য প্রার্থনা. Then sir or madam, we may start like this. Most respectfully and humbly I beg to state that I, a student of your school, read in class 9. I have always been a very regular and disciplined student of your school, but I could not, or you may say shall not able to be. When I will read could not, could not টা কখন লিখব না, যদি পাস্টের কোনো ইভেন্ট হয়, অতীতকালে যদি কোনো ছুটি নিয়েছি, অলরেডি ইউ হ্যাভ টেকেন আ লিভ and you are now trying to get the permission of that leave, then you can write I could not. And if you want to get leave in future, then you will have to write shall not able to be. অর্থাৎ অতীতের কোনো ঘটনা, অতীতকালে তুমি ছুটি নিয়েছো, তখন যদি লিখতে হয় তখন I could not attend my classes. আর হয়তো আগামীতে তুমি ছুটি নিতে চাচ্ছ, ছুটিটা নিতে হবে আগে আমি পারমিশন নিতে চাচ্ছি হেডমাস্টারের কাছ থেকে, তখন আমি কি লিখব, বাট I shall not be able to attend my classes from 15th December to 21st December due to my illness, sister marriage, father illness, etc. Here the words with green colors will have to change in this diagram. এই গ্রিন কালারের যে ওয়ার্ডসগুলো লেখা রয়েছে এইগুলোই শুধুমাত্র চেঞ্জ করতে হবে according to the subject matter. The words with green color will have to change by us according to our subject matter. Then next প্যারাতে আমরা কি লিখব, the next para will be I therefore request you, therefore request you to grant me leave of absence for those days only. I have already mentioned the date previously. Then I will have to say the for those days only. So this is a safe one. You can memorize this and use any kind of leave of applications without any hesitation about your formation. And if you have to take the leave due to your illness, you may write this sentence. Especially on that case, you have to write this sentence: doctor's certificate is enclosed herewith. যদি ইলনেসের জন্য, নিজের ব্যক্তিগত অসুস্থতার জন্য যদি আমি কোনো ছুটি নিতে যাই, তাহলে আমরা এই লাইনটা যোগ করতে পারি। আদারওয়াইজ আর লাইন যোগ করার দরকার নেই। ফর দোজ ডেজ অনলি শুধু অতটা অবধি লিখতে হবে। ডক্টর সার্টিফিকেট ইজ এনক্লোজড হিয়ারউইথ। দেন I shall ever be remain grateful to you for this act of kindness. With thanks and regards, yours obediently. Your name, suppose I am they, then your class, then section and roll number and the date. যে ডেটে আমরা লিখব and the place. Here is the common format of an applications to get leave from the headmaster or headmistress or principals or librarian এর কাছ থেকে যদি কোনো বইয়ের প্রয়োজন হয়, তো আমরা পরে আরেকটা ডায়াগ্রামস আমি দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি একই ফরম্যাট ফলো করে। Now let's say to the headmaster, headmistress or a librarian, then you go through the school, then prayer for books free of cost. Sir, same diagram, sir or madam. Most respectfully and humbly, I beg to state that I, a student of your school, read in class 9. I have always been a very regular and disciplined student of your school. Okay. Then we have to change the subject matter. I belong to a very poor family, the monthly income of which is rupees 3,000 per only. I am in dire need of some textbooks free of cost. I always obtain 70% marks in examination. This is your body of the letter. You want to get some books from the school in free of cost. So you have to speak about your condition. I therefore request you to supply me with the textbooks, the list of which is given below. I shall, same diagram, I shall ever remain grateful to you for this act of kindness. With thanks and regards, yours obediently, name, class, section, and then date and place. And finally, the list of books, geography, biology, and English. Here is the diagram, and you can write the applications very easily using this common diagram or format. You may want to leave from your school and get some books and any kinds of subject matter. So I hope you have enjoyed the class and the lesson as well. So see you again. Bye.